hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Welcome to December. It's December. It's holiday time. It's here. It's December. And remember, December sucks for a lot of people. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm having a really interesting day. I've got a lot of activities. I've got a brunch to go to, and then tonight I've got a Krampus celebration, which Krampus, if you're not familiar, he's a kind of demon in German folklore that comes and snatches bad children and puts them in a sack, and I think he eats them. I'm not real sure. I should know more about it, but I don't. But there's a big Krampus festival, and there's bands and burlesque and all kinds of things. So I might make a video of my evening look. But for the brunch, I'm using Lethal Cosmetics, the Nightflower Pressed Pigment Palette. And this palette is stunning. I've used it quite a bit. And look at those blues, look at those purples. It's just gorgioso. And if you've not ever used Lethal Cosmetics, they are totally worth every nickel. Every nickel, they're worth it. And so we're going to do a look today with this palette. And I'm going to start off with a shimmer. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm going to start off with this lavender kind of shimmer here and put it in my crease. But the brunch is for my friend Jennifer's birthday. I'm sure she's 21 again. You know, ladies of a certain age don't always like to discuss how old they are. And I'm terrible at remembering. I'm terrible at remembering things. So I don't remember how old she is now. Her birthday was actually yesterday. But today we're doing the brunch. It's a Saturday. So you'll see this on probably a Wednesday. I don't know when you'll see this, but hopefully you'll enjoy it. That's all that matters. So I'm going to now go into, because that lavender is so pretty, I'm going to go into this purple right here. It would be easy to just play it safe, but I'm not known for playing it safe with makeup with my friends. They expect to see something glamorous and beautiful. And that looks glamorous so far. So far, so good. I'm loving this. And I'm going to, I want to be daring, but I don't know if I should, because there's some really beautiful blues in here, but I don't know if I want to get that serious. I think I'm going to stick with a purple look, but I'm going to go into this here for my inner corner and to brighten up the eye. It's kind of got a little shift to it. Beautiful. Got some under my eye. Oops. But that looks lovely. I need to put another color on the outside corner, and there's plenty to choose from. I'm going to go a little darker. First, I'm going to blend this out. That's what I'm going to do first. Soften this up, blend it out. That looks so much nicer. Now I'm going to go into this darker color here, this deep. Oh, it's so deep. Let me go soft with it. Now I've got to buff that out. You can hear some cats messing around in here. I'm going to drag this into the crease a little bit. And now it needs liner and lashes. Easy for me to say, and I will be right back. And voila, we have liner and lashes on. And for my lips, I'm going to do a beautiful neutral with the Seductress from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in number 65. Because there's plenty going on up here. And that looks gorgeous and I love it. Well, I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.